Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson you are going to create our document and prepare it for 3D. I'm using these photos, one of the photos which is the street, and I got it from this website Unsplash. I just wrote street and you can use any of these photos. I will create a new document and I'm using these settings. This is social media portrait mode and I will make the resolution 100. Now we have our artboard or the document. I'll bring one of the photos. I'm using this one. You can use the same one. You can go and download it from the Unsplash or you can use it from the resource file. Fit it to the document like this. Double click. And now I'm going to lock it so you don't accidentally click on it. Now let's write something. I'll use the type tool and write 4D. You can write anything. Okay, and then we are going to scale it. And I'm using the Arial Black font. Make it a bit bigger. Like this. Okay, now we will turn this to 3D. Make sure you are clicking on the text layer on the layer panel. And then go to the 3D, new 3D extrusion from the selected layer. Now Photoshop will ask you to change the workspace to 3D. Say yes. Okay, this is the 3D workspace and we are going to cover the transform controls. So we have the controls for the environment and we have the controls for the objects. So for the environment, these are the controls. This is the orbit tool for rotation. This is the move tool for pan movement, and this is the dolly 3D, moving upward and forward. Let me fix the environment a bit. Later we are going to take our time and fix the environment, but now for each object we have these handles. We have the Y handle, the Z handle, and the X handle. So the X handle is for the right and left, Y is for up and down, and Z for the forward and upward. If you click and drag in an empty place, it will rotate the object. And each of the X, Y, and Z has their own rotation handle and the scale handle. If we go over here, we have these controls. We can control them very precisely with numbers. We have rotation, position, and the scale. And here we can reset the coordinates and we can move it to the ground. These are very useful. Now let's fix the environment with the horizon of the picture. Let me disable the text first just to see the horizon of the picture. So the horizon is the point where Earth and the sky meet each other, and for this photo it's somewhere around here. And this is the horizon of the 3D environment, this white line. We are going to fix it with the horizon of the picture just by using the orbit tool for the environment. You can take your time and do this precisely. Make sure that both the horizon of the 3D and the horizon of the photos meeting each other. Also make sure that the direction are right. For example, the Z direction, which is the blue line, should be in the middle of the street. Something like this is good. Let's reset the coordinate, but first enable the text, reset the coordinate, move it to the ground. And now we have the illusion as if this 3D text is sitting on the ground actually. This is all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.